Where's Cole?
Where's Cole?
Where's Cole?
Where is he?
Where's our little buddy?
Where's Cole?
Cole.
Where are you?
Ah! There you are! Boo.
Gotcha.
Where? Let's hide a little further back. Where's Cole?
Where's Cole?
Where is
There
he?
he is! There he is!
Here, let's hide over here. Hide over here. I'll cover you up.
No.
Where's Cole? Where's our little Cole bear? Cole.
Cole. There he is! There he is!
You silly boy. Where's Cole? Where's little Cole? Come out. There he is.
Read the name one more time.
Where's Cole?
Cole.
Where's Cole?
Cole.
Where's he at?
Where's Cole?
There he is. Where's Cole? Where is our boy? There he is.
He's like not wanting to be found anymore.
Where's Cole?
He's like, I get under this pillow and I get mom to play this stupid game where she keeps saying where's Cole.
I'm
Why
gonna-
isn't jumping out anymore?
I'm gonna find you.
I'm tired of mom.
I'm gonna find you. There you are.
He's like, I've hit my head so many times on this bedpost.
I'm just trying to lay down and you guys keep uncovering me.
Oh.
Where's Cole? Where's my boy? Where is he? He's hidden awful well. There he is. There he is. Oh, little buddy. He's like a little ostrich. Where's Cole? Where's Cole? Where's he at? Oh, there he is! Where's our boy? I don't see him anywhere. Where could he be?